Everything is wet, but that's not a problem. Swim 21, one of my favorites. Very nice to be here. We let trim all the branches, all the bushes around the lake. We made it a lot wider than it was before, so now everybody can pass with their car or van without having to worry about any damage. As you can see here, there's almost 2 meters extra space, so it looks really nice. And in the background, for you guys who already have been here, you'll see one of the cherry tree that we did not touch. Whoop, where is it? That one, the big one over here. We want to give it a very special place around the lake, and everybody who is a client or a fixed client knows that this is the late Eric Touzé tree. Rest in peace, my friend. I hope you like what you see. If you have any suggestions, let us know. We wanted to give you guys more space, more room to put everything. So I hope you like what you see. No more overhanging trees, no more branches that are annoying. Everything is cleared out. Enjoy the scenery. I am. Even with this rain. You can hear my brother in the background. We took the opportunity to fix or to improve the 2 outlets from the big lake to the small lake, and behind Tech 23 where the water is going into the river. Nice island in the back. So yeah, you can see the water is high but not alarming high, so nothing to be worried about. And yeah, always happy to be here. Escaping COVID, so hope to see you soon. Everybody is welcome at Lac de Grosley. It's still a beauty. Evening is settling in here at Lac de Grosley. I'm heading back to my brother, to Michael, see how he's progressing on the work he's doing. I went for some refreshments, so we'll enjoy these and hope you like to see what we're doing. Looking forward to meet you all here. Take care, my friends. Bye bye.